already recording.
Oh, okay. Okay. She's trying to intimidate it.
What is it, Layla? What is it?
Is it not being intimidated by your big bark here? Save us, Layla, save us.
Hey, Layla. It's okay. She's like, the hell it is.
You're so
Okay, Layla. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Look.
It's okay. Shh.
So I shouldn't squeeze it?
No, you should let her be the one to do it next. It's okay. It's okay. It's for you. Maybe we should save it for another day.
Come here. Hey, no.
No, we don't want to keep her too excited.